starting to caramelize.
Rotisserie style. The horse! Turkey is amazing.
I'm gonna start,
let's
dumping
do
this in. This cranberry.
Cranberry sauce. You all know that, right?
Yeah.
Always. I think someone's
Lots of shooting.
getting the turkey.
Sounds like yeah. No pulp. And we got some orange skin. Zest from the skin of the orange. I'm gonna dump that in there. Good shot of Dijon mustard in there. Got some maple syrup.
Got some maple syrup.
Yep. Maybe a quarter cup. Got some poultry perfection. A tablespoon. A little bit of SPG. Yeah. Gonna add some brown sugar to this. Probably about 3/4 of a cup, maybe close to a cup. And just before I'm getting ready to put it on, I'll pour the our whiskey that we're going to use.
Right.
Yeah. It's turkey time.
It's turkey time.
It's turkey time. You got to do something different. You got to.
There's a lot of. We have so many turkey videos.
Yeah.
I mean, people our fans just go online and they'll find dozens and dozens. We cook them every way you possibly can.
Yep.
Okay, we got the turkey. It's been brining, what, 48?
Yeah, 48 hours.
How many pounds for this one?
15.
About 15.
15,
Okay.
15 pounds. On the outside, too.
Just use the string.
Oh, good save.
There we go. Perfect.
Yep, there she is. All right.
It's okay. You know what though? Because the coals are here, this has to be turned.
Yep.
It has to be turned. We're going to take this out of there. And we'll find the balance. So the heavy part is on the bottom because that's where it's ending up. And we're going to put this weight the total opposite. Up like that. So that the weight balances out. Alright, I'm going to put this back in. Start it up. There we go. And we can put the cover on.
Okay.
We're gonna put some coating on it, on the bird.
I think we're at about 155.
155.
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it down. And then
All right, let's see here. Keep this heat
Just gonna
going
put
here.
a little bit in here.
Going.
starting to
Caramelize.
caramelize.
We gotta, now we gotta add cinnamon whiskey.
Yeah.
All right.
Take that cover off. Right.
Old hand.
Oh yeah.
All right, time for the big reveal. Okay. Let it rest. This has been
Yeah. Going through. Wow.
oh.
I'm going down to the house of sausage. I got my barbecue shoes on. I'm going down to the house of sausage. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna
Probably
put
moist.
me a brat in a red hot foot long. Gonna smoke me a fatty brisket. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fatty
Rotisserie
brisket.
style. The horse! Turkey is amazing. Unbelievable.
Got my
Unbelievable.
natural case.
Great job.
I got the hogs on the
Take another bite here.
Yeah. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pet, check out barbecuepitboys.com.
Yeah, baby. Woo!